How to remove black background on folder icons. If you are tired of changing the folder icons often and it's not solving it, here is a simple steps to solve the problem. First, go to the run command, press Win key plus R, so the run command will get open, and you need to type the following command like clean mgr. It is nothing but the disk cleanup tool, and once you hit the enter, it will ask for the disk cleanup, and you have to give enter. It will take a few seconds, and the disk cleanup process will get started, and you can see here. It is based on how much space that it will be available. It will take some few more minutes to solve out the issues. It will scan all the temporary files available on the drive. Once the scan gets completed, you can able to see what are the temporary files that are stored in it. Yeah. So the error reports. Now here you can see it will ask what are the files that you want to delete. So uncheck downloaded program files or temporary internet files. And here you will be having an option like files to delete thumbnails. Click on the thumbnails and just click on OK. So the pop-up will display that if you want to delete permanently, yes. And now once it gets done, we need to go back to the same drive and let's check whether just go and refresh the button. Yeah, now the problem gets sorted. All the black background on the folder icon gets removed. Thank you.